Hello ladies and gents, and welcome back to another video from the Rehabilitation Department at Flint House. My name's Mark, and today we're going to go through some hamstring gym ball exercises. Just before we dive into the content, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Subscribing to the channel really helps us grow and spread the word of what we're trying to achieve. Right, let's get going then. So we're going to run through some gym ball exercises, just a couple today. These are to supplement the stuff that we've been going through in classes. So these two exercises here, mainly hip-dominated hamstring exercises, the ones we're going to look at today, a little bit more knee-dominated hamstring ones, a really nice way to fire up those hamstrings. So let's have a look at them then.
A gym ball hamstring curl. Lifting your hips off the floor, slowly bending your knees as you roll the ball in and back out, trying to keep your hips up the whole time. You can then progress this exercise to doing it single leg. Hamstring tantrums.
Brilliant, nice, short, sharp and sweet. So they're the videos for today. Have a play with them. Let us know in the comments below how you've got on, which ones you've managed to include. Again, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, really helps us out. And I'll see you again in our next video.